are repairing the chicken's long run that the netting just kind of burnt, disintegrated off during the fire. And we got a long way to go. But my friend Jake is helping me out. And the problem is we can't just use this roll and roll it down because it's not quite wide enough to reach from the fence posts to the edge of this wire fence where we use twist ties to secure it. I use a staple gun there. So it's quite the awkward procedure. Okay. So what we have to do is we unroll this netting to the estimated length. See, I wonder if that's gonna, see, this might be a problem because we don't have it. We may have to use that other roll, that weird piece. Maybe. It's so awkward because it sticks to everything. And there we go. So Jake is gonna twist tie here. When we unroll the netting, we have to figure how much we need and then cut along there. It comes in a roll. And then I come up here, staple the netting up. And then when it snows, it all comes tumbling down and we have to do it again. Isn't farming fun? Okay.